Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to crochet this very cute bag of fries keychain. So get your materials ready, they're listed at the beginning of the video, and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to do to start by making the fries, and we'll do 10 rounds of 5 single crochets. So we'll start by making the magic ring, and then we'll do 5 single crochets into the magic ring. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I'll pull the yarn to close the gap, and then I'll place my marker over there. Okay, so now in the second round we're going to do single crochets all around. So we're going to have 5 single crochets. So we'll do single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in the second, then single crochet in the third stitch, then single crochet in the fourth stitch, and single crochet in the last stitch. Okay, so then from there, from the next round also, which is the third round, we are going to repeat by doing single crochets all the way in each round until we get to the 10th round. So we are going to make 3 fries. So I'm gonna show you the ones that I've made. So I've made these 2 all the way until the 10th round. Okay, so do single crochets until we get to the 10th round, and then we'll finish up together. Okay, so now after we are done with the 10 rounds of 5 single crochets, this is how our fry looks like. So now we are going to finish up. I'm going to remove the marker, and then I'm going to decrease. And then I'm going to decrease again one more time. Okay, and then after we are done with that, I'm going to slip stitch in the last stitch like that, and then I'm going to cut off the yarn, and to finish off I'm just going to go anywhere in the middle of the fries, and then I'm going to pull my yarn through like that. Then after that I'm going to cut it off. Okay, so now we are going to start making the backs. Okay, so for the backs we are going to use the red yarn, and we are going to start by making a chain 7. So we'll do chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then now starting in the second chain from the hook from here, we're going to do single crochets we're going to do 5 single crochets. So we'll do single crochet 1, and then single crochet 2, single crochet 3, and then another one, 4, and single crochet 5. Okay, and then when we get here in the last chain, we are going to do 4 single crochets in the same stitch. So we're going to do single crochet 1, and then in the same stitch another single crochet 2, and then another single crochet in the same stitch, and the last one. So 4 single crochets in the same stitch, like that. Okay, so now we are going to continue in this other side, and in the other side we are going to do 4 single crochets. Okay, so we'll do single crochet 1, and then single crochet 2, and then another one, so single crochet 3, and single crochet 4. Okay, now after we are done with that, now in the last stitch we are going to do 3 single crochets in the same stitch. So we'll do single crochet 1, and in the same stitch another single crochet, and 1 single crochet again in the same stitch. So now we have a total of 16 single crochets. So I'll put my marker over here, and then we'll continue to the second round. And in the second round we're going to start by doing 6 single crochets. So single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and then now after that we are going to increase 2 times. So we'll increase in the next 2 stitches. So increase, and then increase in the next stitch. Okay, so now after we've increased in the 2 stitches, we are going again to do 6 single crochets. So we'll do single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 5 and 6. Okay, and then after that we'll increase in the remaining 2 stitches. So we'll increase and increase in the last stitch. Okay, so now after we are done with that, now in the next round, which is the 3rd round until the 8th round. We are going to do single crochets in each round, so we are going to have a total of 20 single crochets in each round. So in the next round, I'm just going to do single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so continue doing single crochets all the way to the end, and then also continue in the next round until we get to the 8th round. Okay, and then we'll finish up together. Okay, so after we are done with round 8, this is how our little bag of fries looks like. Okay, so I'm just going to remove my marker to finish off, and then I'm going to go into the next stitch, then slip stitch like that, and cut off the yarn. Then once I cut off the yarn, I'm just going to go into the next stitch and pull that strand of yarn through like that, as you can see. Okay, so now let's put our little fries inside to see what it looks like. So we have 3 pieces, so I'm gonna put the first one, then the second one, and the last one like that. As you can see, they fit so perfectly, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my yarn and needle and just attach them a little bit to the back, and then I'm going to embroider a little M over here, and then we'll be done. So let's do that. So guys, after this is how it looks like after I've put everything together. So I've just attached the fries at the back with a needle, as you can see, and then I've embroidered the little M. And what I usually do is I use a marker and write a little M like this, and then after that I embroider using a yarn and a needle, and then after that I attach this little chain at the back. As you can see, as I just made a longer chain enough. You can make it as long as you want, like this, and this is how it looks. So cute. So that's it for now, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments below, and check out my other videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.